And on form, Lewis Hamilton completed a fastest times double on F1 2018's opening day. But Mercedes rivals narrowed the gap considerably in practice to hint at an intriguing three-way battle at the Australian GP, after the world champion led the field by half a second earlier in the day, with Max Verstappen, the closest non-Mercedes driver, 0.7 seconds behind. Both Red Bull and Ferrari reined in the silver arrows in the second session. Hamilton still topped the timesheets with a 1:23.931, the fastest time of the day, but Verstappen was just 0.127 seconds behind for Red Bull on the same ultra-soft tires, while Kimi Raikkonen was 0.2 adrift in the Ferrari. Valtteri Bottas split the pair in third. But for the chasing competition, it was an encouraging end to a day which Mercedes' impressive W09 threatened to run away with. Sebastian Vettel was half a second off his 2017 title rival Hamilton's leading benchmark in fifth, though it is Red Bull, in particular, who appear to be primed to attack. Daniel Ricciardo could only manage seventh place, but seemed destined to join his teammate in challenging before a red flag ruined his flying lap. Instead, it was Romain Grosjean who gate-crashed the top six as Haas continued their fine early season form. The surprise package from winter testing in the best of the rest in practice won. The Frenchman's 1:24.648 was only 0.2 slower than Vettel's best lap for the U.S. team's senior affiliate Ferrari. Haas' package will be a slight worry for McLaren in what looks to be an incredibly tight midfield battle, with Fernando Alonso half a second off Grosjean, though the Woking outfit did manage to get both cars into the top 10 and also outpaced engine suppliers Renault once again. There was a disappointing end to the session for Williams. Meanwhile, with Stroll having to stop his overheating FW41 on the way back to the pits, rookie Sergei Sirotkin was 18th, only ahead of the two Saubers. Australian GP practice 2 timesheet driver team time 1. Lewis Hamilton Mercedes 1:23.931 2. Max Verstappen Red Bull 1:24.058 3. Valtteri Bottas Mercedes 1:24.159 4. Kimi Raikkonen Ferrari 1:24.214 5. Sebastian Vettel Ferrari 1:24.451 6. Romain Grosjean Haas 1:24.648 7. Daniel Ricciardo Red Bull 1:24.721 8. Fernando Alonso McLaren 1:25.209. Kevin Magnussen Haas 1:25.246 10. Stoffel Vandoorne McLaren 1:25.285 11. Carlos Sainz Renault 1:25.390 12. Sergio Perez Force India 1:25.413 13. Nico Hülkenberg Renault 1:25.463 14. Lance Stroll Williams 1:25.543 15. Esteban Ocon Force India 1:25.888 16. Brendan Hartley Toro Rosso 1:25.925 17. Pierre Gasly Toro Rosso 1:29.945 18. Sergei Sirotkin Williams 1:25.974 19. Marcus Ericsson Sauber 1:26.814 20. Charles Leclerc Sauber 1:26.815. Watch the F1 2018 season opening Australian GP exclusively live on Sky Sports F1 this weekend. Sky Sports F1 is the only place to watch every Formula One Grand Prix qualifying and practice session live in 2018. Get Sky Sports F1